For years, people have tried to make a good YouTube channel again and again, but the time has come for good YouTube videos. The one channel you won't be able to keep your pants on for. Like, seriously though, you might want to get some like duct tape or something, cause like they're probably gonna fall off. I'm just warning you. And on my channel, I promise you this. We bring you challenges. We give you music videos and tutorials, artsy videos, and tags. But most of all, comedy.